What is up, guys? Today I am going to be doing a special Mother's Day craft for my mom, and I'm gonna let you guys I'm gonna give you guys some ideas for any Mother's Day cards or crafts you want to do. So everyone knows that Mother's Day is a day where we celebrate our moms, right? So you should print out a coloring page that says Happy Mother's Day. I'll give some more examples soon. Alright, so right now I've pretty much done a quarter of my Happy Mother's Day coloring picture. This is just a little example. You can actually use any colors that you would like. I just started off with a really light pink, some pretty dark purple or indigo, and I also have some yellow here. So I'll see you guys later when I finish my coloring page. Now this is looking better from when we started. I'm still not done yet, but I'm pretty sure my mom will love it. So why don't you guys get started with your craft while I color the rest of this picture, and then I can teach you a special way to make a card. Alright, I finally finished coloring my beautiful picture. I'm very happy with the way it turned out. Well, I'm not the best artist, but I'm pretty sure you guys out there are probably way better than me. But I'm still very happy how it turned out, and my mom is gonna love it for the way I draw. Now, let's get on to making the card. So this is the supplies you will need to make a card. Don't mind the vacuum in the back, the vacuum in the back, it's just my dad. So you're going to need some crayons or markers, some scissors, and some paper. And I'm gonna have Mila, my special little camera girl, film me making the card. Alright, so we have this card, and we are going to have to fold it in half. Well, you can use any type of paper. You can use construction paper, colored paper, I don't care. So here you have this specially folded card, and this is where we're gonna write inside of it. But first, before we write, if you want to, you can cut out a half of a heart shape in here. So let me just draw that really quickly. So this is what you're gonna cut out. You're gonna cut out this big half of a heart, like this. And then you can take your scissors and you can cut it out.
I know what you're making. Oh yeah, one of those things.
Yes, I am. If you want to, you can.
One of those hearts?
Yeah.
Oh.
Alright.
Or you could just
And then you cut it out. Look! It made a little heart. So then,
be there.
alright, that's okay. So then we open it, and it looks like a big heart.
And there's a heart right here.
Yes, there is a heart right there.
Whoa.
So there we have it. Now, so right here, we still have our heart. And I'm gonna come back after I've written my special little note to my mom. So this can be an example of what you can write. I wrote, Happy Mother's Day, Mommy. You deserve all of this love and all of the hugs you can imagine. I hope you have a wonderful Mother's Day, Harper, XOXO. And then on the other side of the card, you can draw whatever you want, but I'm not the best at drawing, so I just wrote a little bit like, love you, Happy Mother's Day, XOXO, and a few hearts and a smiley face. So that is just an example for your Mother's Day card. And that is it for the video. I hope all of you enjoyed this little example of what you can do for your mom for Mother's Day. But actually, this isn't the end. I forgot to do the cover of my card. Oh no! You can't forget the cover. So I'll come back when that's finished. Alright, so I have finished my beautiful Mother's Day card. Hopefully yours will be as beautiful as mine. And I hope that you all have a very good day. And I hope that your mom loves the beautiful creations that you make for her. We are going to say bye. Say bye, Mila.
Bye.
Bye, guys. We hope you subscribe and like and turn the notifications on so you will be notified anytime we post a new video, and it's going to be so much fun. Have a really good Mother's Day.